Hey, how are you guys doing? Veli E92 here, and today I have a cool DIY that's gonna save you quite a bit of money, and it's gonna add a good amount of customization to your vehicle for your N54. So let's get right into it. Okay, so basically what I have for you here is a DIY on how to get some budget dual cone intakes. So I didn't come up with this idea. All credit goes to this channel 0 to 60. I'll drop their link in the description so you can check out the original video. However, their video was made for an Australian market, and the parts that they had in the description that they used are not that available in the US, or they have like some crazy shipping on them. So I was like, what the heck? I'm just gonna make basically a US version. Um, so hopefully this guy will help you out. So a very simple DIY. What I have here is a 2¼ inch exhaust adapter to a 3 inch um, outer diameter, I believe. So that's my exhaust adapter, basically what's gonna go into the inlets. And then here I have some random filter I found on eBay. It's AirX Racing. It wasn't the cheapest you could get, I'm not trying to skimp out on completely, but it's good to save money. So these are the ones I'm using, black, because I did get a purple tile for my charge pipe, so I kind of want that to stick. I don't want the Burger Motorsport red filters, and this is kind of what led me to follow this, apart from obviously the budget savings. So as I said, you have the exhaust adapter and you have a 3-inch pod filter. It's going to be in the description, this and this, so you can just straight up order them if you want the same setup. If not, just find another 3-inch cone filter. I'm sure it's going to fit. They're usually the same size. So basically, just take the 3-inch end, stuff it in here, and then the other side goes into the inlets. I've already got this in, just tied down with the hose clamp. It already comes with the filter, so I'm just gonna do this here and take it to the car. So we're here at the car. I already took the airbox out. You're gonna need that out. I've had it out for a couple of days. Make sure you don't forget the vacuum line here, like I did. There we go, just to make sure I don't forget later on. So charge pipe upgrade is coming, but for the time being I'm just going to do the filters. So I've put these tissues because I took the airbox out yesterday, so I didn't want anything to go in there. But these are the inlets. To take the airbox is very easy. Just loosen this and then pull. The box is kind of hooked on these. It's going to feel like you're kind of ripping it out, but it's going to come out, don't worry about it. So yeah, basically. Oh, also forgot to mention, make sure you clean the exhaust with alcohol inside, just so you don't get any dirt into your turbos. So just pretty much take this 2¼ end and stuff it in here, and you're pretty much set. Tighten it down, and that's it. Alright guys, here's the final results. So intakes are in. This does stick out a little bit, but as you can see, they ain't going anywhere. I found it a lot easier to just put the exhaust flange in here first and then put the intake on, since they are kind of big. That's also another advantage. It's a bigger filter, so I would imagine they would flow better. But yeah, as you can see, for around 50 bucks, these dual cone intakes freaking hit different. It does get a little tight, especially with the diverter valves, for example, like right here, but I'm going on a blow off, which should sit like around here or so, so I should be set. Like, it's gonna get a lot looser. And as I said, these very like low-key, especially black, like they look like they would come with the car. If you want, you really could paint this black. I may do so if I take them off soon for the charge pipe. But yeah, if you want to get like a similar setup to this, definitely check the links below. I'll have the exhaust flanges and the cone intakes in there. If you want to go with a different color, then just get a 3-inch cone intake. Still gonna work. I've kind of checked around, they seem to be very the same size or so. But yeah, these seem cool. I may start the car and get you some sound clips.